I've been getting this question so often on how you can actually stop singing out of tune. Every time you sing, you're going off key. This video is going to guide you step by step. I'm going to hold you by the hand and tell you on every single thing you need to know to stop singing out of tune, to stop singing off key. Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a very special video lesson for you, because this video is going to help you to achieve pitch perfection. Once you hear that tune, you'll be able to sing exactly on tune. You would not be singing on another tune. Singing off key is not only for the beginning singer. Even seasoned vocalists, they also have that challenge. But how do you take care of such challenge? This video is going to help you to achieve that. As a result of the questions I have been getting from here and there concerning this issue of singing off key, of singing out of tune, I decided to put together my years of working with singing students, established singers, and even beginning singers. As I put together my years of experience with them and how I was able to help them to come out of such situation so that you can overcome that problem of singing out of tune. Please guys, if you're not already following us, please subscribe, click the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our new videos concerning how we can help you to overcome your singing challenges. First things first, warm up. Over to you. The reason why you can't sing on the key or on pitch is because you can't hear the tone clearly. This is what we often refer to as tone deafness. Not that you are deaf, no, but that you are not able to hear the tone clearly, which means that you have to train your ears properly to be able to hear the tone clearly. Now we have different pitch matching apps. You can check on Google Play Store and download them, because these apps will help you in case you don't have a keyboard. You can also use a piano or a keyboard to be able to help to train your ear. This will help your hearing skills. And when you're using these apps or you're using the piano, make sure that you have your recording device handy, your phone handy, such that when you play the notes, you'll be able to hear it back and see if it is exactly what you played on your app or on your keyboard. In the beginning, you will fail, but don't stop at failing. Keep trying until finally you achieve that thing. And then when you achieve it, keep doing it until you become a master of it. And before you know it, your ears will open up and you will no longer have the challenge of not being able to hear clearly. You have trained your ear, you can hear notes clearly, your ear is well trained with your keyboard or your pitch generating app, but then you still find yourself singing off key. Do you know one thing that can be the problem is breath support? When you lack breath support, it will not help, you will not be able to match that pitch correctly. Deep diaphragmatic breathing provides the support that you need. Visualize your lungs filling up as you inhale and engage your core muscles as you regulate air flows out of your body. Once your breath support is on point, you might still need to hit those notes clearly. You already have your ear trained and your breath support is on point, but you still can't hit those notes clearly, which means that you need to practice some targeted vocal exercises. And when I'm talking about targeted vocal exercise, I mean you will be intentional about the vocal exercise. You don't just pick random vocal exercise and feel like that will help you to overcome pitch challenge or singing out of tune. You are going to take some selected vocal exercises that is going to help you to sing on tune. Start with scales, gradually ascending and descending. Make sure you pay close attention to the accuracy of your pitch, that is pitch accuracy. I often recommend my students to use sulfur notes when they are doing it. You can also try interval training to strengthen your sense of understanding the distance between notes. For example, okay, now repeat after me. Okay. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, chromatic scale. Do, mi, re, mi, fa, mi, sol, si, la, mi, ti, do, do, ti, da, la, do, sol, do, la, mi, fa, re, la, do. With dedication and practice, you can conquer any pitch-related problem and become the master of your own voice. If you want to take your singing to the next level, don't hesitate to join our online singing school or get our vocal mastery blueprint that's created to solve singers' common problems and help them to overcome. There are some common problems that singers face in relation to pitch, to singing out of tune. If you want to know what these problems are and how you can solve the problem, you need to check this next video out. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget, happy singing!